Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. I'm Sarah.
Hi, Sarah, and hello to all our wonderful students. It's Lucas, and I'm so happy to be here.
It's great to have you here, Lucas, and a very big welcome to all of you watching. We are so glad you are learning English with us today.
Today, we have a very important and very useful topic. We are going to talk about our day. We will learn how to describe our daily routine.
That's right. A daily routine is the list of things you do every day, from morning to night. Learning these phrases is fantastic for beginners because you can use them immediately.
Exactly. You can talk about your day with friends, teachers, or anyone. It's great practice.
Before we begin, if you are excited to learn with us, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps us so much. Before we begin, if you are excited to learn with us, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps us so much.
Yes, please do, and we love hearing from you. So, after the lesson, please leave a comment. Okay, Sarah, are you ready to talk about your day?
I am. Let's start with the most important part of the day, the morning.
Okay, Sarah, so what is the very first thing you do in the morning?
The first thing I do is wake up. I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
Wake up. That's the start of the day, a very important phrase. Let's practice. Everyone, say it with me. Wake up. Great. So after you wake up, do you stay in bed?
No, not for long. After I wake up, I get out of bed.
Ah, get out of bed. Another great phrase. Let's all say it. Get out of bed.
Perfect. After I get out of bed, I go to the bathroom.
What do you do in the bathroom?
Two very important things. I brush my teeth and I wash my face.
Brush my teeth and wash my face. These are morning actions. Let's practice them. First, brush my teeth. Now, wash my face.
Excellent. Some people also take a shower in the morning. I like to take a shower in the evening, but morning is very common.
That's a good one. Take a shower. Okay, Sarah, you are awake, your teeth are clean. What's next?
Food. I go to the kitchen to make breakfast.
Make breakfast. And what do you usually have for breakfast?
I usually have toast and I drink coffee.
Coffee. I love coffee. Okay, so we have two new phrasings. Have toast and drink coffee. You can also say eat breakfast. Have breakfast and eat breakfast are the same.
That's right. After breakfast, I need to get ready for the day. So, I get dressed. This means I put on my clothes.
Get dressed. Very good. Say it with me, everyone. Get dressed.
After I get dressed, I put on my shoes. Then, I'm ready to leave the house.
Okay, two more. Put on my shoes and leave the house. Let's practice one more time. Put on my shoes, leave the house.
You are all doing so well. That is a full morning routine.
So, Sarah, you leave the house. Where do you go?
I go to work. I work in an office.
Go to work. Many people go to work in the morning. What do you do at work?
At work, I sit at my desk and I work on my computer. I also check my emails.
Okay, three great phrases there. Sit at my desk, work on my computer, and check my emails. These are very common work activities.
Yes. Then, around 1 p.m., I get hungry. It's time to have lunch.
Have lunch or eat lunch. What do you usually have for lunch, Sarah?
I often have a salad or a sandwich. Sometimes I go out to eat with my friends from work.
Go out to eat. That's a nice phrase. It means you go to a restaurant or a cafe. Let's practice that one. Go out to eat.
Good job. After lunch, I go back to work. I finish work at 5 p.m.
Finish work. A happy moment in the day. And after you finish work,
I go home.
go home. That's the best feeling. So that's the afternoon. We go to work, we have lunch, and we go home.
Okay, everyone. Are you ready for a little challenge?
I think they are. It's exercise time. It's very simple. I will say a phrase and you complete the sentence. Ready?
Let's do it. First one. In the morning, I wake up and
Good. You could say, I get out of bed, or I brush my teeth. Great job.
Okay, next one. Before I leave the house,
What did you say? Maybe, I put on my shoes, or I have breakfast. Excellent.
Last one. At 1 p.m.,
Easy, right? I have lunch. You are all doing a fantastic job. Keep it up.
Okay, Lucas. So we are home from work. What do you do in the evening?
Well, when I get home, the first thing I do is change my clothes. I put on comfortable clothes.
Change my clothes. That's a good idea. I do that too. Let's practice. Change my clothes.
Then I feel hungry again, so I cook dinner. I like cooking.
Cook dinner. Me too. What do you like to cook?
I like to cook pasta. After I cook dinner, my family and I have dinner together. We talk about our day.
That's lovely. Have dinner. After dinner, what about the dirty plates?
Ah, yes. After dinner, I wash the dishes. It's not my favorite job, but it is important.
Wash the dishes. Very good phrase. Let's say it together. Wash the dishes.
Great. After all that, it's time to relax.
Relax. How do you relax, Lucas?
I usually watch TV. Sometimes I listen to music. Or I read a book.
Those are all wonderful ways to relax. Let's say those. Watch TV, listen to music, read a book.
Perfect. Then it gets late. I start to feel sleepy. I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth again.
And the final action of the day?
Finally, I go to bed. I usually go to bed around 11 p.m.
Go to bed. The end of a busy day. We have now learned phrases for the morning, the afternoon, and the evening.
Wow, Sarah, we learned so many new phrases today. Let's do a quick review so everyone can remember.
Great idea. Let's say them one by one. Listen carefully and repeat if you can. I'll start. Wake up.
Get out of bed.
Go to the bathroom.
Brush my teeth.
Wash my face.
Take a shower.
Make breakfast.
Have breakfast.
Get dressed.
Put on my shoes.
Leave the house.
Go to work.
Work on my computer.
Have lunch.
Finish work.
Go home.
Cook dinner.
Have dinner.
Wash the dishes.
Relax.
Watch TV.
Read a book.
Go to bed.
That is a fantastic list. If you learn these phrases, you can tell anyone about your day in English.
That was excellent work today, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us and for practicing so hard.
Yes, a big thank you from me too. Now you have homework. Your homework is to practice. Try to say 5 things you do every day using the phrases we learned.
And for more practice, please leave a comment below. Write one sentence about your day. For example, you can write, I have coffee in the morning, or I watch TV in the evening.
We love reading your comments, and it's great practice for you. And if you found this lesson helpful, please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next video.
And please share this video with a friend who is also learning English. Learning together is always more fun.
That's all for today. Until next time, keep practicing and have a wonderful day.
Goodbye, everyone.